Okay, boys and girls, for math this week, we are going to start addition with and without regrouping. Okay, we've already been doing some addition without regrouping, but we're going to review that today. And then tomorrow we'll get into addition with regrouping. The first thing I want to talk about is this problem I have on the board here, 42 plus 51. All right. I want to think about, you can see I wrote this from left to right. I want you to think about writing this up and down and what we've learned about place value. Remember, you have to line up your ones, line up your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, however many digits you have, okay? So when we write this problem up and down, we're going to want to make sure and line up our digits and be super, super, super neat because that will help you guys later, okay? So we're going to look at this problem here, 42 plus 51, and we're going to write it up and down. I will start with the 42, and again, I'm going to make it super, super, super neat. And then plus, I put my 5. My 5 is in the tens place, so I'm going to put that under the 4 because the 4 is in the tens place in 42. So there's 4 tens plus 5 tens. And then the 1 goes under the 2. There's 2 ones and 1 1. Then I draw my line. I'm going to start adding in the ones place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. My answer, 42 plus 51 equals 93. And I hope in your head you're thinking right now, that is called the sum. Bonus points if you said sum. Okay, now your assignment today is going to be with tens blocks, okay? Let's look at that. Okay, so you're going to open up your slideshow for today, and it looks just like this. We're going to do the first slide together. Solve the equation below. Drag the blocks you need into the place value mat to show your work, then type your answer. We've got 327 plus 142. We have to think about the place value of each of these digits. The first one is 327. And when I look at that number, I know there are 3 hundreds. So I'm going to drag 3 hundreds down here on my mat to under hundreds. Then I'm going to look at the tens place in 327. I know that there are 2 tens. So I'm going to drag 2 tens over here. Then when I'm looking at the number 327, I see there are 7 ones. So I'm going to drag 7 ones over here under the ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's 327, and I'm adding 142 to it. So in 142, there's 100. So I'm going to drag 1 more 100 down here. In 142, there are 4 tens. So I'm going to drag 4 tens over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there are 2 ones. I'm going to drag 2 ones over here under the ones. Now, to find my sum, I need to count them up. How many hundreds do I have? How many hundreds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go up here and click and type a 4. I have 4 hundreds. Let's count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tens. Now let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So 327 plus 142 equals 469. 469 is the sum. The sum. You will go ahead and do this slide as well as the rest of the slides, and you will turn this in today. Let me know if you have any questions.